Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Americana Pro Automotive, the hottest detailing products for your real-life Hot Wheels. SNS Diesel Motorsports, fuel systems on another level. And by Permatex, made for the professional in you. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
The pickup truck. It's the most useful thing on the road, but you can make it even more useful than it is right now by carrying the Magic Creeper with you. Now, when you're at home and you want to maintain the truck, you need to get under the hood. Use the Magic Creeper as a fender cover. It'll save your paint if you love your truck like most people do. If you're checking the tire pressure, you can use this as a kneeling pad. Check around on all four sides, or if you're cleaning your wheels, you put the Magic Creeper down. It will save your knees. You'll be grateful for it. Of course, under the vehicle, the Magic Creeper is handy for getting underneath. Gives you a lot of extra clearance that you don't have with a regular creeper. In this case, we're going to go under to see if what's leaking is water or oil or something else we need to worry about. And of course, you want to carry the Magic Creeper inside the vehicle in case you have an emergency. It rolls right up. It only weighs 3 pounds. It's super compact and it'll hide anywhere in the vehicle. So pull that thing out if you're beside the road. You need to change a tire. You can use that to keep your clothes dry and mud free. And if you need to get under the vehicle, again, the Magic Creeper works perfectly. It gets dirty, you will not. And it goes where a regular creeper can't go. It can go over gravel, broken glass on the side of the road. You see it all the time. Any kind of debris, the Magic Creeper will sail right over it. It's durable, it's going to last, and it's easy to clean. One added bonus with the Magic Creeper, if you own a pickup truck, you can use it in the bed or use it in the back of your minivan for that matter if you don't have a truck. And you can use it as a conveyor belt for moving heavy objects. So if you've got a big box or some mulch or something like that, throw the bags of mulch onto the Magic Creeper in the center there, and you can move a few hundred pounds of stuff really easily just by pulling it back with the Magic Creeper. You've seen the trick where folks put a bunch of buckets and put all the mulch in the buckets. You can grab one bucket at a time. Well, you can grab 9 or 10 of them just by pulling the Magic Creeper out, make those a lot more accessible and a lot more handy. The Magic Creeper has infinite uses, and you can check out some of them at magiccreeper.com. That's also the place to buy the authentic Magic Creeper. They say necessity is the mother of invention, but every once in a while a scientist is willing to accept a happy accident. Pasha, that's exactly what happened when you found Tribotex. What were you researching when you discovered this product?
We was working on artificial joints.
Artificial joints, like hips?
Yes.
So how do you go from that to this?
People used materials that happen to be toxic, and that spurred a lot of innovation in this area. And we started looking at safe materials that slide on each other. And when they slide on each other, the particles don't attach to the surface. So they get removed after time from the interface. So we came up with the concept that when you make a nanoparticle and make it slippery only on one side, but adhesive on another side, grippy, then these particles, when they apply to the surface only by one side, but not by another. And over time, when this process happens, it covers the area in the thick enough coating that compensates for the wear that happened there for decades.
So how did you go from that then to decide, hey, I can use this in a car?
It takes a long time to bring innovation to medical devices market. So when we use the technology in engines, the customers can get benefit way faster.
So it's all about nanoparticles, and effectively they make your car perform better, but they can also actually repair it. Is that correct?
Yes. Slow amount of damage cause excessive vibration that exacerbate the wear farther down the road. When you compensate for the wear early on in the game, your engine not just lasts longer, but rejuvenate to back when it was new.
So you can check out the science behind all of it, and you can find out what it can do for your vehicle. Go to Tribotex.com. Well, before we head on out of here, I wanted to remind you that if you have a product you'd like to see on our show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We're going to see you once again next week. In the meantime, so long from our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.